Welcome back. Now, the Jasper boss mode is not mandatory to have in order to create content using the AI inside of Jasper. For example, if you have an existing document, one of the things you can do inside of Jasper is to rewrite the content. You'll see inside of the ads area a template called Content Improver. We can click on that template and we can add in content to improve here in this area. We can also give it a specific tone of voice. So we can take the content that we want to improve, we can highlight it, and we can cut and paste this content inside of jasper.ai. We can then decide what tone of voice we want the rewrite to be in. We will then determine how many inputs we want to have. Once we have our prompts the way we want them, and we have the number of outputs we are going to want, we can then click Generate. And then Jasper will begin to generate our content to remake it according to the parameters that we have set. We can upvote or downvote and then choose the one that we want. If you have boss mode, you can open this content up in a document. Otherwise, you can copy it to make it available inside of your word processing software and then move on to the next portion of your content. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.